Hi all. Welcome to the channel. Are you feeling a bit exhausted from spending a lot of time and money on hiring people like writers, designers, and marketers for your online business? Today we came up with new AI tool, Dax AI, which turned AI into a team of engineers that works for us for 100% free. So let's get more details on this product. New app turns AI into our dedicated team of engineers that builds any business for us without us doing any of the work. Dax AI is the only app you need to be successful online. Dax AI does everything for us: writing content, designing, video content, and more. Pick your copy now and secure your copy of Dax AI DFY for free. Just enter a keyword and let Dax do the rest. Drive unlimited traffic and sales to any offer or link. Start your own AI-powered business today. Replace your designer, programmer, writer, and more. No complicated setup. Get up and running in 2 minutes. With just a click we generate a profitable funnel with a DFY product. Let AI generates funnels, websites, landing pages, and more. Build hot list in any niche with the power of AI. Zero upfront cost. 30 days money back guarantee. To get access of Dax AI and save $293 now. Just pay once instead of a monthly fee. You're 3 steps away from building an AI-powered business. All in 5 minutes or less. Let me explain you. Step 1. Log in to Dax AI powerful dashboard, dead easy to use. Step 2. Let Dax AI build you AI-powered business from scratch in 5 minutes or less. Step 3. Yup, that's it. Now we have all the material we want, that we can sell, or use in our business for profit like this. No complicated setups or technical expertise required, it's as simple as that. With Dax AI you don't need to hire anyone or buy any expensive apps. Even traffic, we get for free, we cash in the rise of AI. Dax AI does everything for us. Write articles, write blog posts, rewrite your content, proofread any text, write website content, write your emails, write proposals, write books, design landing pages, design websites, design social media posts, design logos, design avatars, design ad banners, create social media plan, create press releases, create startup ideas, do your website's copywriting, not everything you can do by one click and without any hire anyone. Then what are you thinking to just click on below link in the Get Dax AI and save $293 now. You can download app from Play Store, available for Windows, iOS, Android. Never pay a penny in monthly payments again. That's the best part. You don't need any other apps with Dax AI. And you don't need to hire anyone. All you need is this magic of an app, Dax AI. Which you can get it for just a low one-time fee. And use it forever. How does it work? Simple. AI. That's all, but don't be fooled. While Dax AI looks so simple on the surface, on the backend, it's cutting-edge technology. We spent an entire year, working day and night on it, to build the AI model that will allow us to eliminate the need to hire or use any app. Not just that, we gave it every parameter it might need to scale its advantage even more. Dax AI is so powerful. By clicking the below mentioned link, watch how we built an entire business from scratch and made $10,562.35 in 7 days without doing any manual work. So, are you ready yet? You reading this far into the page means one thing. You're interested. The good news is, you're just minutes away from your breakthrough. Just imagine waking up every day to thousands of dollars in your account, instead of zero. Bad news is, it will sell out fast. So you need to act now. Ready to join us? Guarantee, 30-day money-back guarantee, for any reason. Click below link to join and the discount on monthly fee with huge bonus.